Hey, what's going on? Today we're talking about the Tsurumi Type A and Type W automatic alternating submersible pump control system for the 50TM 2.4S. As a quick reminder, the 50TM 2.4S is a 1/2 horsepower, 115 volt single phase titanium submersible pump that only draws 5.8 amps, extremely low. The 50TM 2.4S comes with a 2-inch discharge, a 20-foot power cord, and weighs only 18 pounds. It can pass solids up to 3/8 of an inch or 10 millimeters. The 50TM 2.4S is designed for pumping raw sewage, wastewater, effluent, chemical spill containment, and most importantly, salt water. We've done a video on this pump and I've put the link in the description, so please check it out. The exciting news today is that the 50TM titanium submersible pumps can be factory modified into Type A and Type W automatic and automatic alternating submersible duplex pumping systems without the need for costly control panels, extra wiring, and installation time. The Tsurumi 50TM Type A and Type W automatic alternating submersible pumps are built for use in a variety of different environments and applications, including raw sewage containing solids, sump pits, groundwater leaching, basements and drains, chemical spill containment, wastewater, catchment, overflow, runoff, and manufacturing, effluent, and water transfer. The Tsurumi 50TM Type A and Type W submersible pump control system has several unique features. Let's walk through them now. The Tsurumi A and W duplex system could not be easier to set up. Each pump comes with a float system already attached and preset for automatic operation. Simply set your pumps in the sump and plug them into a circuit-protected 115 volt wall outlet. You can check to make sure the floats are working by lifting them up in sequence to ensure proper operation as follows. If you simply want an automatic simplex unit, you can use the 50TM A pump by itself. The beauty of the float tree is that it can operate in tight spaces versus a standard float switch with a longer throw radius. To test the unit, lift the red stop float, then the yellow start float. The pump will go on. Now, lower the yellow start float, then the red stop float. The pump will go off. That's it. That's your standard automatic simplex operation. Now, here is where the game changes with the automatic alternating duplex system. This is where we add the Type W companion unit to the A unit we just demonstrated. Let's walk through the duplex operation of this unique system. Start with the W companion unit. We start with this unit because you will notice that the yellow start float is lower than the A unit. As the water in the sump rises, this unit will turn on first. Begin by lifting the red stop float, then the yellow start float. The pump will go on. Now, lower the yellow start float, then the red stop float. The pump will go off. This mimics the first pump cycle of the system. Now, move to the A unit. Lift the red stop float, then the yellow start float. The pump will go on. Now, lower the yellow start float, then the red stop float, and the pump will go off. This mimics the second pump cycle of the system. But Darren, won't the yellow start float on the W unit always rise before the yellow float on the A unit? Yes, it will. And this is where the brilliance of this system is revealed. Let's go through the process again, but this time operating both pumps as in a real duplex system installation. As the water rises, both red floats rise. Then the yellow float rises on the W unit. This pump starts. The water doesn't get high enough to turn on the A unit. As the level drops, the yellow float drops, and then both red floats drop and the W unit turns off. This completes the first cycle. Now, as the liquid level rises again, both red floats rise, then the W unit's yellow float rises, but you see it does not go on. Then the A unit's yellow float rises and this pump turns on. The brain in the W unit skips a cycle every time the floats reset to mimic the operation of a duplex system with a control panel. Isn't that amazing? Now, as the liquid level drops, the yellow float drops on the A unit, then both red floats drop and the pump shuts off. That's the end of the second cycle. Let's do one more cycle to show that the W unit will go on again. As the water level rises, the red floats rise. Then the yellow float on the W unit rises and we see that the pump goes on again. This is the third cycle of the duplex operation. But what if one pump becomes overwhelmed by a sudden influx of liquid it cannot handle by itself? Well, if the W unit is operating and the level rises higher, the A unit will kick on when the yellow float rises. Simple. But what if the W unit is off cycle? Well, if the A unit is operating and the water level keeps rising, you will see the green float rise to turn on the W unit as a backup to run in parallel with the A unit. Once the water level drops and the pumps turn off, the W unit resets and will be the first to turn on again during the next cycle. That's it. It's that simple. No panels, no wiring, no extra floats and cables, no additional electrical outlets, no thinking, just plug and play. The Tsurumi 50TM 2.4S Titanium Type A and Type W automatic alternating submersible duplex pump system is a time and cost-saving masterpiece from Tsurumi Pump. Keep your life simple and your facility efficient by minimizing the equipment, electrical requirements, installation time, and operating and maintenance costs. This automatic alternating submersible duplex pump system is a plug-and-play solution available exclusively from Tsurumi Pump that could not be any easier to install and operate. For more information on these and other amazing Tsurumi pumps and accessories, visit our website at imperialsalesinc.com. We'll see you on the next one.